In this video, we're going to look at the benefits of the Easy Setup function on the new range of R-Tech TFT machines. On manual machines, you'll find yourself tweaking every dial to find those perfect settings. This can be very time consuming and in some cases very frustrating. Easy Setup was designed to give the user the ideal settings at just the push of a few buttons. This increased welding time and also increased productivity. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put Easy Setup to the test. If we're welding a section of steel, we simply tell the machine the tungsten size that we're going to be using, how thick the material is and what type of material we're going to be welding. We also tell the machine the type of joint we're going to be doing. As you can see here, there's a few to choose from, so make sure you select the one which suits you. The machine then suggests the correct amperage, gas flow and cup size. Feel free to trim the amperage to your required preference. We can also tell the machine if we require pulse and if we're using the torch switch or foot pedal. Easy Setup allows you the ability to quickly change between material and joint types, meaning you can switch from a T-section of aluminium to a lap joint on stainless within seconds. The experts here at R-Tech carefully programmed over 220 presets into each and every machine. This ensures that you're ready to start welding at just the push of a few buttons. Easy Setup was designed with all users in mind, so if you're someone just getting into welding or even a professional, this feature was created just for you. R-Tech Welding has a machine perfect for everyone, and the latest range all come with the new Easy Setup feature. We hope this short video has explained to you how easy it is to pick up one of these machines and get welding straight away. However, if you're still unsure, feel free to give us a call and one of our experts can answer any questions you might have. Better yet, we offer free demos on all of our machines. All of the details on that can be found over on our website.